Hey there, Lynn here. Welcome to another AutoCAD tip courtesy of Cadalyst magazine. Hope you're having a great week so far. Of course, it's only Monday, so if it's already going badly, well, that's a bad sign. Today, I'm going to share with you a tip that has to do with XREFs. That's right, external references. Now, we have a love-hate relationship with XREFs. That's right, we love them when they go right, and we hate them when they go wrong. Because when they go wrong, they go terribly, terribly wrong, don't they? That's when those pesky links get broken. We don't like it when those links get broken because it takes a lot of work to fix them. So the tip I share with you today is going to show you that inside of AutoCAD 2018 and higher, it's much less likely for you to end up with those broken links as long as you set this system variable properly. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. So inside of AutoCAD 2018 and higher, you can set this system variable ref path type to 1. Well, what does that setting mean, Lynn? I am going to show you. Oh yeah, you are going to know all by the time this tip is over. I think the best way to explain to you what ref path type is to go to the Cool Express tool, the system variable editor. I just think that's going to make it easier for me to explain it to you. And you might remember this tip on the system variable editor in the past. It executes this command called sysvdialog. I don't know how you say that, but I do know it would be a good word for Wheel of Fortune because there are no vowels in it. You wouldn't have to waste any money on vowels. So here's ref path type. I've already got it keyed up and ready to go. There are 3 settings for ref path type, and I mentioned to you the default is 1. Now, before AutoCAD 2018, when you attached an XREF to a drawing file, it would attach it using the full path option, right? So it would use the hard-coded full path when it attached an XREF, which only led to bad things happening. That meant that if anybody moved that source drawing, those links would more than likely get broken. And then you would have to, repath it, tell it where the new path was, and it was a pain in the neck, and people in the office would start to cry and want to go home, and it would just all go really badly. Am I right? We don't want those links to get broken. It leads to heartache, lots of heartache. It leads to us to not like XREFs, and we don't want to dislike XREFs. So the full path option is not good. Inside of AutoCAD 2018 and higher, now ref path type set defaults to 1, where it uses the relative path whenever you attach an XREF. It should be noted this only affects XREFs from like this day forward as you are attaching in the future. It doesn't affect any that you've already attached, by the way. It's not going to update any of the ones you've already attached. Okay, or you can go completely rogue and you can set ref path type to 0, where it uses no path as a default, and drive your CAD manager completely insane. Also an option for you. So if you're a control freak, you can set it to 2. If you're a rogue, you can set it to 0, or you can be an intelligent CAD operator and set it to 1 and use the relative path option, in my opinion. You'll also see that this is saved in the registry, which means that whatever you set it to, it's going to affect all of your drawing files. So very, very cool system variable. I highly recommend that you keep it set to 1. It's going to make your life working with XREFs so much better. Yay, yay. The world will be a beautiful place with ref path type set to 1. Oh yeah, you heard it here. All right, so I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I will see you back here in 2 more weeks. All right, peace out.